Ramzanul Mubarak is a month of fasting for Muslims. Fasting is one of the five pillars of Islam. For Muslims, Ramzan is a very special time of a year. It is a time when Muslims all over the world fast from dawn to dusk. In this holy month, people are busy in prayers. It is also the time to strive from lies and cheating, time to do good deeds. In this month, one good deed gives 70 rewards. Lailatul Qadr occurs in the last 10 days of Ramzan. Muslims also do itikaf in the last 10 days of Ramzan. In the end of Ramzan, there is a big celebration called Eid ul Fitr.